Yeah, hello guys. Now let's start the Spring Boot series. Okay, in last video we created this method find all. Now we will create the REST controller class. Okay, and then we will call this method. Okay, now let's start to work. Okay, so for that what we have to do, we have to create one controller class. So right click and class, then give a name resource, user resource. You can give any name, user resource. Okay, user resource. Okay, and package name will be controller. Okay, it may be anything, no problem. User resource you can give according to your requirement. You can give any name. Okay, so now I'm going to create the controller class. In controller class, firstly what we have to do, I have to remark this class as a rest controller. Okay, control space rest controller. Okay, rest controller annotation I added. Okay, then I have to add the DAO user service class. Okay, so I have to copy this because I will call this method, so it will get data from this class. So I'm using this DAO user service in controller. So I have to come to the controller class, and here what I have to do, I have to write private that class, and that class object will be service. Okay, I took this name as a service. Okay, then control space, you can see that I had implemented this service class. Then what I have to do, I have to auto-write this thing using the constructor. So right click source, then go to the this constructor class, then generate. Done. So no need this super. Okay, done. So now what I have to do, I have to create the one API to call this find all, to get the all details of user. So for that what I have to do, public list of user. Okay, list of user I want. So I want list of user. Method name will be find all user. Okay, you can give anything name. You can just give get also, no problem. So I have to import first this list, control space list, and user control space. You can see before implementing importing anything, just read. You can see that user class. Firstly, what we have to import, user model class. Okay, so this one, and then what I have to do, I have to return return service. Okay, service dot find all. Okay, uh, using this service object, it will go to this class, and it will hit to this method, and using this method it will retrieve the all details of user. Okay, then it will print on Chrome. Okay, so save it. Now you can see that in application property we give the server port number 8089. You can give anything, by default is 8080. Okay, so just right click here and run it. Okay, okay, wait 1 second. Let me check. In here, I didn't give a mapping method, so I'm retrieving the details. So I have to use get mapping, and I'm going to use the URL as a users. Okay, Control S. Now run it. Okay, right click, run as Spring Boot app. Okay, done. So now we will see, using this URL I am getting the all user details or not. Okay, done. Yeah, now come to the Chrome, print here localhost 8089 and users. Done. Yeah, you can see the details of 3 users. First money, and ID 1, name money, and date of birth is this, name Ravi, then Rekha. I got the all 3 user details which I store inside the DAO user service. You can see these details I am getting there using this find all. Okay, in next video we will see that how to retrieve data using ID. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel.